Join me as I dive into the world of ABT stock and try to figure out if it's really ready for a big move. ABT Stock, or Abbott Laboratories, is a giant in the healthcare sector, playing a crucial role in developing medical devices, pharmaceuticals, and nutritional products. As a leading player, its stock movements can be a significant indicator of the sector's overall health. If you're invested in ABT or considering it for your portfolio, understanding its potential movements is vital. The healthcare sector is no stranger to challenges, and ABT stock has faced its share recently. Rising regulatory scrutiny, especially around medical devices, has kept investors on edge. Additionally, supply chain disruptions have impacted operations, causing some concerns about the company's ability to meet demand. These challenges have contributed to a somewhat volatile stock performance. Investors are also keeping a close eye on interest rate changes and their potential impact on borrowing costs and consumer spending. Economic uncertainty can affect ABT's financials, especially if there's a downturn in elective procedures or non-essential product sales. Moreover, competition in the healthcare sector is fierce, with companies constantly innovating and vying for market share. This competitive landscape can influence ABT's stock performance. Recent financial reports from ABT have shown a mixed bag. While the company has seen growth in some areas, particularly in its medical device segment, there are concerns about margin pressures due to higher operational costs. Analyst ratings have been generally positive, but some have expressed caution due to the challenges mentioned. Market sentiment seems to be cautiously optimistic, with investors waiting for clear signs of sustained growth. Digging deeper into recent trends, ABT's financial reports indicate a steady recovery from previous quarters' challenges. The company has made significant investments in research and development, aiming to drive future growth through innovation. Analysts have been upgrading their ratings, citing improved outlooks for the medical device segment. However, market sentiment remains cautious, reflecting concerns about broader economic conditions. Looking ahead, several factors could influence ABT stock's trajectory. The company's pipeline of new products and potential regulatory approvals could act as catalysts for growth. On the flip side, any negative surprises on the earnings front or increased competition could hinder progress. It's also worth noting that ABT's diversified portfolio across different healthcare segments could provide a buffer against sector-specific downturns. Given these considerations, I believe ABT stock does have the potential for a significant move. The company's strategic investments and strong portfolio across healthcare segments position it well for long-term growth. However, short-term volatility is likely, especially given the current economic and regulatory environment. Investors should keep a close eye on upcoming earnings reports and any major product updates. To summarize, ABT stock's readiness for a big move hinges on navigating current challenges and capitalizing on growth opportunities. Key factors to watch include regulatory developments, product launches, and overall market conditions. If you have any thoughts on ABT stock or its prospects, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Check out my other videos for more stock analyses and insights to help you make informed investment decisions.